Hey guys, Zari here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day and trust you had a good weekend. It is Manic Monday, June 30th, last day of the month and last day of the second quarter for the calendar quarter. 9:28 a.m. guys, we have 2 minutes until the New York Open. This is the daily frame, the Nasdaq, S&P and Dow. Day 6 up days here in a row, guys. Bullish body above the range of travel of Friday. So this is a very bullish configuration, of course, as is the case on the S&P, and also an update bullish body above Friday's range on the Dow. This is my trading grid, guys. There's the daily chart, 30-minute chart, and the 1-minute chart. On the 30-minute, you can see that we are kind of sitting in a little bit of a range here, having put in several candle bodies here during the London session, and now kind of hanging down here just a little bit. We were in a symmetrical triangle, now broken down below, sitting sort of at and just above this area here, guys, as we move in towards the open in 1 minute. I'll bring you back. And there's the 1-minute open range, guys. We're looking at about 24 points on the Nasdaq and 5 points on the S&P. Very narrow ranges here, guys, to start the week and to end the quarter. Pushing down a little bit here on the second 1-minute candle on the S&P. I'm not going to do anything here for quite some time, guys, I believe, unless something really, really excites me. This is Manic Monday, and that means patience. On my 1-minute chart, guys, you'll see that this is the London open range. This is the New York open range, almost the same level, just a touch lower. This is the Asian open range, and you can see we're heading down towards the Asian open range. Let me just show this to you so you can see. I just extended that out. That was 8 p.m. New York time last night. This is 3 a.m. New York time for the London Open. Driving down a little bit now. Just going to let this go here for a while, guys. See how the market accepts it and or rejects it. Pulling down now to this area from the Open of Asia. This is the Asian Open range, as you can see right here. I'm going to delete the London and the Asian Open ranges now. Keep things nice and clean. So here we go, guys. You can see that we now have a topping tail on the daily chart, and we are trading back inside of Friday's range. We are also breaking down structure-wise here from the 30-minute chart, having put in many candles here inside of this range during the London session, and now driving down with all blue bodies, as you can see here. This is decidedly bearish here on the open. In order for me to fade a daily candle, meaning an up day with a bullish body, there are several things I typically need to see. And they start here with the highest time frame, the daily. I certainly need to see a pulling back and a failure to continue higher in the daily candle. Ideally, I would also see it pull back into the span of travel of the prior day. Ideally, it would be into the span of travel of the body of the prior day, which would have been Friday. We're not there yet. I would like to see topping structure, which we do see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, call it 6 bodies not able to continue higher here. This is a shift or impulse move down, guys. 9 below 21, decidedly bearish. Finding pause here and rejecting temporarily from the Asian open range. We are very extended here on the daily. That doesn't mean overextended. This is a very bullish sign. And again, I need several things to happen here in kind of a sequence for me to get convinced to go short here. But this is very clean on the 1 minute. This is clean on the 30-minute. But I'm not doing anything, guys. I'm going to watch and see how this stuff plays out. We do have Chicago PMI in 6 minutes. Just watching this, guys. Getting a little grindy now. We're down near the 2 standard deviation border already. VWAP looking like it wants to drop out of the open range. That would be helpful for a bearish case, but difficult to fade this thing against such a strong daily picture. nothing to do. I think it's safe to say, guys, that if we don't get back up above the open range, I likely won't be doing anything here today. Fading this bull would require a lot of conviction that I'm just not seeing. Just checking back in, guys, 1027. The grind continues here below open range, below VWAP. See price actually pulled all the way back here, rejected from the open range and VWAP down below. There certainly could be some case to be made for shorts here, guys, but I'm certainly not feeling it. Not on a Manic Monday and against such a very bullish daily picture that we see here right across the board. A little weaker on the Dow here now. All right, guys, I'm back dealing with renovations here at home, but it's 11:46. That's the end of it for me. What a grinding mess this has been. These are the two sisters 1 minute charts, of course, just sitting right back at the bottom of open range on and at VWAP on both the NASDAQ and the S&P. This is the 30-minute chart. That does clarify the picture. Just been hanging around here at the open of Asia. And so nothing really too groundbreaking here. As you can see, pushing up a little bit here, but there's nothing here for me to do, of course, at 11:47 a.m. I want to thank you for joining me. No trade day today, guys. Monday, Manic Monday, and very manic, as you can see here on the 1 minute chart. If you ignored the daily picture, the bull's in charge, and the fairly clean 30-minute chart, this is just chop suey, or as I like to call it, slop suey. But I wish you an amazing afternoon and evening, and we will talk to you soon.